What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw funds or money from Trading 212 app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you log in into your Trading 212 account, you will be on your homepage right here. So to withdraw your money from Trading 212, you would need to go to these three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. And once you're here, you would need to select the Manage Funds option right here. Now on the Manage Funds option page right here, you would need to select the Withdraw option. Now before you can withdraw your funds from Trading 212, you would need to log in once more to verify your information. And once you input your password, here you will be able to select the amounts of funds that you want to withdraw from your Trading 212 account. So let's say 16 euros. And right here you would need to select the withdrawal method. So you can either withdraw it through your card that I have connected right here, which this one is currently expired, or on your bank account right here. So let's say that I want to withdraw it to my card. I will just need to select it just like it is already and just go ahead and click confirm withdrawal right here. But as I said, this card is expired, so I can't do that currently. So once you click confirm withdrawal, that withdrawal request will be sent to Trading 212, and once they process it, just like the bank does, those funds will be transferred over to your bank account. And keep in mind that this can take up to 7 business days. So that's guys how you can withdraw your funds from the Trading 212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.